Today we'll be studying about gene interactions. Gene interactions are of two types, one intragenic and the other one intergenic. Intragenic means, let's say if we have allele 1 and allele 2, when the interaction takes place between the alleles, then we call it intragenic. The example of intragenic interaction is incomplete dominance. Whereas intergenic interaction means, let's say we have two genes, gene 1 and gene 2. When the interactions take place between these genes, then we call it intergenic gene interaction. And the example of it is epistel in detail about intragenic gene interaction. So first example of it is codominance. The types of it is codominance. In codominance, allele 1 and allele 2 are, as we all know that every gene has two contrasting traits, one dominant and the other one recessive. But in this case, in codominance, allele 1 and allele 2 both express each other, and we get an offspring having the character of both, having the trait from both the alleles. Example, AB blood group, where allele IA and IB are expressed, and thus we get IA and IB, and the resultant blood group is AB blood group. Incomplete dominance. In this, as the name suggests, none of the allele is dominant. So what we get is an intermediate trait. For example, in Mirabilis jalapa or 4 o'clock plant, the red crosses with white and gives us pink trait or pink color, which is neither red nor white. So it is an intermediate showing incomplete dominance. Next is multiple allele. In multiple allele, as the name again suggests, that allele are not two but more than two. So gene possess more than two allele, and the famous example of multiple allelism is human blood group, where it has three allele, IA, IB and small I. IA and IB are dominant ones and small I is recessive. So IA gives us A blood group, IB gives us B blood group. The small I, which is recessive, only in homozygous condition gives us O blood group, and IAB gives us AB blood group, which just now I told in the codominance as well. So this was about gene interactions. In the coming video, we'll study more about intergenic interactions as well. Thank you.